Okay, y'all, check Snowflake Rose out. She said she is stuck in this stocking. How did you get stuck in the stocking, Snowflake Rose? You want help to get out? Okay, we'll help you out. This is a kiwi. Not just any kiwi. It came from the Sun Gold kiwi. And these are so sweet and delicious. So they're in season. And I'm just going to have this during my break. They're like a yellow gold tint. And these have been just delicious for like a snack. And this is the last one. So I'm going to go back and get some more. So hello everyone, welcome back to my vlogs. I am Shayla Tomorrow. My name is Shayla and we are doing Vlogmas. Today is the 8th day of Vlogmas. So I thank you all for staying with me and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm working today, working remotely, and I'm on a break. So I just decided to catch up on some cleaning and to eat a little snack. One moment. All right, I'm back. I forgot my fork, so I'm just going to eat my little snack. These little kiwi. Let's see, is this still a good one? Now these are so good. I definitely recommend that you get that because it's so delicious. I'm just gonna sit here and eat this for my break. And yeah, I'll be back to check in with you guys. Again, this is day 8 Vlogmas. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to enjoy these kiwis. So we got 1 tomato. That's why I gotta get back on my arrow garden, because even though the season is over, I could have been growing some tomatoes inside and have at least some cherry tomatoes. But that's what I'm gonna have to do, because I miss my arrow garden. It's just, you know, you be so busy, and you know, it's hard to get around to doing that stuff. Because when I do it, I want to focus on it and make sure I do it just right with the arrow garden. But I'm definitely going to do it, and I definitely will show you guys. So we got enough tomatoes for this salad. And I don't know if anybody else does this. Let me know. You close the top on the salad bowl and just shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, so we got that probably blended in good. We'll flip it over. Okay. All right. Okay, and last but not least, I love me some black pepper. I put it on everything. So once I had that black pepper, it's good to go. This is my salad. Y'all, I ate that so fast I couldn't even record it. It was good though, real good. Y'all, I did so good today at work. I paced myself very well. It was a very, very busy day. We were getting a lot of calls. You know, it's the end of the year, so, you know, people want to get their stuff resolved before the end of the year is out. And I understand. So, I did really well today, pacing myself, scheduling me some good break-ins. I was able to get through a lot of calls. I need some Jello now before I have to go back in. I have to handle some business as well. And I thought for some reason I had to rush out of here and go to the grocery store because the girls are having Christmas parties next week. And I thought I had to hurry up and buy their stocking stuffers and candy or something for the parties. But luckily, the parties are next week. So I still have time to purchase something. I don't know why I thought I had to get it today, but I really don't. But I knew today was probably going to be the only day because I'm so busy. I'm going to be starting training soon. So it's going to be a very busy week. So we're doing additional training and some additional work hours. So yeah, I wasn't going to have time to just leave to go to the store after I get off work because it would be late for me. It gets, as soon as it gets dark, like about 5:30, you know, I don't like being out in the dark like that. So yeah, I don't have to rush, and I'm glad about that. I can just chill for a little bit and enjoy the rest of the day. You just chilling, boo? All right, you guys, I have gotten done with all of my work as well as checking up on some important household information. You saw me busy working on the typewriter. I mean, did I just say typewriter? I'm telling my age. On the computer. So this is going to be where I end the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed spending time with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Here she comes. Bye. Bye.